Hi everybody, welcome to Jack's Shop. I've been putting some of these Briggs & Stratton engines I've been picking up on YouTube, and I thought they've been mostly the raggedy engines, the before restoration engines that I've been showing, and I thought, well, let me show one of the ones that I've got finished, and just for one of those up on YouTube, because it's probably a lot easier to look at in some ways. But this is a 1935 Model Y, and this one has got the typical mixer on it, and I went out and got a Circa air cleaner for it and put that on it. And this is the original muffler that was on it when I got it, so evidently it didn't get much washing machine detergent on it or whatever. And also this is the set of pulleys that were on it. They looked like they were in pretty good shape. They weren't too hard to clean up, so I was glad to put them back on there. And just thought I'd experiment a little bit and go with some green paint. And this looks like the oil plug that came with it, and that is a chrome, or it was a nickel or chrome plated plug. I don't know if you can see it too well, but it still has some of the finish on it. And then the breather, that again was the same. It was looks like it had about the same finish on it. It's got a little bit of surface rust on it, but it's chrome or nickel. And I just went and blasted and used a Rust-Oleum, their version of chrome paint, which looks more like, to me it looks more like an aluminum paint, but it came out okay, I guess. And then I blasted the spark plug and put it back on there. But anyways, that's I just wanted to show you what one of the finished ones look like, because like I said, I've been putting the old greasy, raggedy looking ones on there, and I just thought, well, it's time to go out here and put a good one up. This one's got the tag too, so I was real happy to see that. And it's not the some of these look like they got a it's not a brass tag, it's just a plain old like aluminum tag, and they look pretty corroded, whereas when you get one of these with a brass tag, sometimes you get lucky and they stay in pretty good shape. So I was real happy to end up with an engine that that had a decent looking tag on it. And so far I've yet to put a gas tank together for it. What I usually do is I get a tank. The tank did not come with this when I bought it, but I'll get a tank. I've got a few here, and I'll blast it real good inside and out, and then I coat the inside of the tank, because some of these tanks just seem to rust so easily, and then they're not very long or very far from having a leak in them. I just got a Model N today I was working with that put gas into the tank, looked fine, and it's leaking on the bottom. So as a precautionary measure, I just take the tanks, blast the inside, blast the outside, coat the inside, and then blast the outside again and primer and paint them, just because they just they're so thin, and they're so at least down here in the south, they're so fragile when it comes to the humidity and all that. So, but anyways, that's it. And welcome your comments, and please share with me some of your engine restorations experiences. I always learn a lot by you other YouTubers. There's some folks out there doing some great stuff and some funny stuff too. So please keep it coming, because YouTube is great, and I don't think we can load enough videos up here. Thanks again. See ya.